How to delete the Tumblr post. First of all, open the Tumblr app and make sure you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your blog page. Next, find the post you want to delete by scrolling through your blog or using the source option. Once you locate the post, tap on the delete icon located behind the pencil icon. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the post. Tap delete again to confirm. Your post will now be permanently removed from your blog and will no longer be visible to your followers or visitors. Remember, once deleted, you cannot recover the post, so make sure you really want to remove it. Now you know how to delete the Tumblr post. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.